I don't have a pen press for pressing pins, so I took 2 pieces of maple, and these go in the headstock and the tailstock of my lathe, and that's what I use to press my pins together.
Nifty trick. Hey, do you have a
Yep.
drill press?
I do, but I don't like using it for pressing pins. I like this. It seems to be better control. Cause I tried to pen press at work and didn't like it, but this, I can screw that tailstock in, and it presses that pin together
Yeah.
real
Yeah,
easy.
I agree, Jim. I use my 10-inch Delta as a pin press. I made parts for the quill and the headstock spindle to do the same thing.
It's embarrassing how much you pay for a pen press and how some of them are so cheaply made. They are more work than pleasure.
That's true.